TV. African Entertainment. Before the king and the king's offer.
I said stop there! I bought you that keke with my own men. If you want to continue to ride it, then you will do as I have said. God!
Izunna, young and multi-talented, like a player, was favored by the king. A favor mixed with painful laughter. Before the king and the king's offer, pains and sorrows haunted him for the obnoxious gift he collected from the king. What a dangerous offer. Before the king and the king's offer.
Nobody should say anything about Izunna again, or you see what I'll do to you.
The entire kingdom is in topsy-turvy, all because of you.
You want to go all the way from America to meet all those things? All those dirty smelling things? Look at the nails, not polished, look at them cheap bags, smelling hair. They're just thinking on pigs.
Well, are you saying that you can't buy these people with money?
What have we done that is causing all these problems?
Before the king and the king's offer, you cannot push your luck when you stand on it. The king's offer, coupled with indecent desires of the prince, set the whole kingdom on a consuming fire. Making a wiser choice becomes a greater problem. Before the king and the king's offer, Izunna's gift from the king opens a can of worms, causing everlasting tears. This royal blockbuster was produced by Charles Offor, starring Olu Jacobs, Yul Edochie, Walter Anga, Eve Asian, and Joy Carlo.